They were doing a motherboard and power supply replacement. My customer contacted me telling me he bought this bill used and only had to install a graphics card. He said once he installed the graphics card that it booted perfectly into Windows, typed in the password, and then the PC just shut off. Everything powered on like normally, but he got no display. I told him that I'll come over and diagnose the computer for you. So I came, plugged in my working power supply, and sure enough, it was a broken motherboard. To get a brand new motherboard and brand new power supply. I had to show a video of it booting, but we got it to work and he's now downloading games.